Hi everyone, back here again for another video. I made my first iPad desk setup video 4 months ago, and just last week I again shared with you guys the different ways I move around my desk with my iPad Pro as my laptop replacement. Today, let me share with you my updated desk setup. Though this may seem like I did minor changes only, but hey, sometimes less is more, right? I consider my desk setup as somewhat kind of a minimalist setup because I don't have much stuff on it. I prefer to keep it this way to keep me away from distraction. So first, the main star of this setup is my iPad Pro, and this is the 11-inch 2020 model. I've been using this for over a year now and it still works very well. All my YouTube work, I do it here. Next is of course the desk itself. This is in fact a customized dining table made by a local shop here in Bangkok, and this is made out of teak wood. It works okay so far and I'm comfortable working on this. I pair this with the office chair, which is the Duoflex BR200M by Rich Mueller, and I got this at a very cheap price when my office sold this to us employees, and I'm very happy with it. This brand seems to be only here in Thailand though, so I cannot find it anywhere else, even in Amazon. Anyway, moving on. My monitor is the Benq GW2780 model, and I've shown this many times in my other videos. If you want to know the specs, check Benq's website. I have the link in the description below. Why I chose this monitor is mainly because of the reasonable price, the size, and last is for the built-in speakers. But take note, the speakers here are not really good, but it works for me because I'm not an audiophile and I'm okay with how it sounds when I use it for background music while working. Next, I use a monitor Vesa arm to keep my monitor off the desk and to also have different angles to work with. If you've seen my other videos, I can use it for normal work, I can even use it vertically, and I can even easily put it on the side when I don't need it. How I connect my iPad Pro to the monitor is by using a USB-C to HDMI adapter, and here I'm using the Lenshin C65 hub. I use another Lenshin hub which is also an iPad stand. You can check out my other videos if you want to know more about that. This adapter also comes with a USB-C charging port, so I can charge my iPad while connected to the monitor. For my keyboard and mouse, when I'm not using my iPad Magic Keyboard, I love using the wireless Magic Keyboard, and paired with it is the Magic Mouse. I love using the Magic Mouse with my iPad as it's just very intuitive to use. With the keyboard and mouse connected, I can start to work on my YouTube channel. Even with the iPad screen on or off, well, kind of off, I can still do my work using the Shift Screen app. If you want to know more how I work with this setup, check out my last video on my iPad Pro setup linked in the description box below. Oh, and the desk mat, it is something I guess you all are familiar with. This is the Orbit Key desk mat in medium size. Though sometimes I don't use the desk mat just to get a more minimalist setup. For lighting up my desk, I still use the same IKEA lamp that I've shown in my first setup video. This is a very versatile lamp, at least for me, because I use this every day on my day job. I use this when I work on my YouTube channel, and this is the light I use in all of my YouTube videos. This has adjustable stand and dimmable lights, and also comes in both warm light and daylight options. As for my other accessories, something kind of new is this Moshi Set Q wireless charger, which I won in an Instagram giveaway. Though I don't use this too much, but when I use it, I can charge my iPhone and my AirPods at the same time. What I use most of the time is this iPhone charging stand or dock, just to keep my desk look less cluttered. I also use this iPhone stand to dock and charge my AirPods. So yes, for listening to music or watching videos, I use my AirPods or sometimes my Soundpeats True Air 2, but when I'm alone, I can use my old JBL Go Bluetooth speaker, which has a bit better and clearer audio compared to the speakers of my Benq monitor. And of course, a small plant is a must for YouTube videos, and a glass of water to keep me hydrated is important too. So that's my simple, no fuss desk setup. Do you guys have a similar setup or planning to do the same with your iPad? Let me know in the comments section down below. That's it. Thanks for watching.